How to block a user on Whatnot. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Whatnot app or website on a device and just make sure that you are logged into your Whatnot account. Now, once inside the Whatnot, all you have to do is go to the user's profile. Tap on the profile name available, or you can also search for them. Here, let me just tap on the profile name that I can view on my For You page for now and navigate to their profile section. Once you are navigated to their profile section, you will get to see three dots at the top right corner. Tap on it and from there select block user and then confirm by tapping block on mobile or yes. And that is it. Once blocked, that person will no longer be able to follow you, send you direct messages, view your profile or stories, and many more. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.